We're making a second video.
Well, now that we're done with all the prep for it, we can do the reaction portion of the video. That way we can break it up into 2 sections.
Ooh.
And it's easier. Alright, Mr. Dillon, which color would you like to do first?
I would want to do the blue one.
All right.
My favorite color is blue.
Come on down. Get down there for it.
No.
Pour it in there, kiddo. Dump it fast. You gotta dump it fast.
Woo!
Get out of the way, get out of the way. Get out of the way. No, look. That's coolness.
That's absolute insane.
Yeah, so we gotta dump it fast. We want to get as much of this baking soda down in there as we can. That's what reacts with the vinegar. Vinegar is an acid. Baking soda is a base. When you mix acids and bases together, you get a chemical reaction.
I'll do the red one again. I want to see it'll make me think of a volcano.
There we go.
And here we go, green explosion. Now, time for the.
Then I want you to watch, okay?
Okay.
That is unadulterated coolness.
Okay. Don't do that one. Okay. It's so cool.
Alright, one more.
It's a volcano. Isn't that?
And now please know that I am not a chemist, and my explanations could be all the way backwards, but I'm pretty sure that's how it goes. Feel free to Google it and correct me, because, yeah.
Or if this is going to misspell,
Hey, that's my gluteus.
text us back and see if we did it wrong. Tell us if we did it wrong.
Well, we did it correctly. I just meant the acids and the bases portion of this. I like to have factual information. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is our science experiment for the day. Tomorrow, I think we will do hot ice. What do you think?
Yeah.
Give me 5.
It
Ooh! Elephant toothpaste!
It's the day after that.
Well, we'll do elephant toothpaste tomorrow, but we're going to do that one else.